Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. English Year 1, Unit 3 Pet Show. Hi, Teacher Aida is here. Hello students and welcome back to my English lesson. Today we are focusing on short vowel I sound. Okay, we are going to pronounce the words containing I sound. Thank you everyone as you have done a wonderful job, right? Keep on learning, don't stop learning. Let's begin our class. I sound. Okay? I. Let's say these words together. This is Tim and his silly sister Kim. One more time. This is Tim and his silly sister Kim. Okay, good job. Alright, let's say these words together. Follow teacher. This is Tim and his silly sister Kim. Now, your turn. Okay, congratulations. Now, say the words with me. Okay, repeat after me. Follow teacher. Pin. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Tin. Tin. T-I-N. Tin. Six. Six. S-I-X. Six. King. King. K-I-N. King. Ship. Ship. Sh-I-P. Ship. Fin. Fin. F-I-N. Fin. Zip. Zip. Z-I-P. Zip. Lip. Lip. L-I-P. Lip. Bin. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Sit. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Alright, exercise time. Name and read the words. Okay, name the words based on the picture and then read. Okay, record your voice and read. Good luck. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you can pronounce the words with I sound. Right? Bye-bye. Until we meet again next time.